How is American food different from Thai food? American food tends to be more simple, focused on meat and potatoes, and uses fewer spices. Thai food, on the other hand, is known for its bold flavors, using a lot of fresh herbs and spices. It often has a balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, which makes it unique. In Thailand, rice and noodles are the staples, and we eat them with almost every meal. Thai dishes are often served with a variety of vegetables, meat, and flavorful sauces. In America, bread and potatoes are the common staples, and meals often focus on meat like beef, chicken, or pork. While both countries enjoy the diverse foods, Thailand tends to have more rice and noodles-based dishes, while American meals are often heavier with potatoes and meat. If you're looking for Thai street foods, it's easy to find at markets, street corners, or near popular areas. Street food in Thailand is very affordable, with dishes often costing just a few dollars. The variety is amazing. You can find everything from grilled meats and fresh fruits to delicious noodle dishes and curries. The food scene is a big part of Thai culture, and people love it for its convenient and tasty flavors.